In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a GIF to a Notion page. Whether you want to make your dashboard, notes, or planner more visually appealing, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. Open the Notion page where you want to add the GIF. Place your cursor where you'd like the animation to appear. Open your browser and visit a GIF website such as Giphy. Search for the GIF you want, open it, and copy its direct GIF link. Return to Notion and paste the link onto your page. When Notion displays the available options, choose Embed to insert the animated GIF into your page. You can also type Embed, paste the GIF link, and click Embed link to add it manually. If you've already downloaded a GIF to your computer, simply drag and drop the file onto your Notion page, or type image and upload the GIF from your device. Once the GIF is added, drag the resize handles to adjust its size or move it anywhere on the page to match your layout. That's how to add a GIF on Notion. Thanks for watching.